All right, guys, what is going on? Let's do another one of these what I eat in a day videos. This is going to be really boring because I'm going to intermittent fast all day on water. I had some coffee when I woke up and I took my minerals. Normally I consume my Shilajit Shaga Shizandra potion, but I didn't want to wake up and make it today, so I've got a bunch of stuff to get done today, so I'm just going to take my 4 Mega Multi-Minerals. I'm also going to take a little bit of MSM in about 30 minutes, you guys, because I've been doing a lot of barefoot running lately and my joints are sore. And as always, I'm going to take my daily dose of vitamin C. So yeah, pretty boring. What I eat in a day while I intermittent fast. We hardly have any tomatoes left. These are all homegrown tomatoes. This is the last of the bounty. Those of you guys who watched my videos in the past, this month, you guys saw so many tomatoes. Well, we've used most of those. We've frozen some of them. But as usual, we've got other produce. This is a homegrown nectarine, you guys. Check that out. Whereas this is a store-bought one. Look at the difference. Store-bought? Or homegrown, excuse me. Store-bought. Real fruit, more often than not, is very small. So tonight's going to be pretty boring, you guys. I'm probably just going to make homemade sushi again. So I've got frozen raw wild-caught tuna and frozen wild-caught salmon. So what I do, you guys, is I let this thaw out. Then I cut it into strips, sashimi, and then I serve it over rice. So by the time you see this video, you will have seen, excuse me, everything that I ate today or tonight. I'm probably not going to eat until like 10 p.m. I like to eat in silence when people are asleep. I like to eat alone so I can hear myself thinking while I eat. So many of us eat while we're listening to the television or this, that, and the other. It's a huge fucking distraction. You want to feel satiated? You want to feel actually, nourished from your food? Try eating in silence. So I get these big packs like this at Sprouts Farmers Market. I think the 6-pack of these from Sprouts, the salmon, was like $31. And this 6-pack of wild-caught tuna, I think was $17. So I mix this with white rice that I turn into sushi rice. I serve it with wasabi and pickled ginger. It's very simple, very basic. I don't always eat like this, but this is how I've been eating the last few days, and my body's really loving it. So until dinner, you guys, I'm going to have water, a little bit more coffee, maybe some tea, maybe some algae. I'm not 100% sure.